Today we making delicious chicken steak with sauce. Chicken steak with creamy mushroom sauce. Ingredients: 4 chicken. 4 boneless skinless chicken breasts. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. 4 sauce. 2 cups mixed mushrooms button cremini shiitake. 2 tablespoons butter. 1 teaspoon garlic, minced. 1 cup heavy cream. Half a cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. Salt and pepper to taste. Marinate chicken in olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper for 30 minutes. Preheat grill or skillet to medium-high heat. Grill or cook chicken for 5 to 6 minutes per side until cooked through. Meanwhile, make sauce. Sauté mushrooms and garlic in butter until tender. Add heavy cream and bring to simmer. Stir in Parmesan cheese until melted. Add thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Serve chicken with mushroom sauce spooned over the top. Alternative sauces: peppercorn sauce replace. Mushrooms with a 1/4 cup. Peppercorns and a 1/4 cup heavy cream. Barbecue sauce replace. Mushrooms with 1/2 cup barbecue sauce. And a 1/4 cup honey. Lemon butter sauce replace. Mushrooms with 2 tablespoons lemon juice and a 1/4 cup melted butter. It should be juicy. Nutritional information per serving: calories 440, protein 40 g, fat 24 g, saturated fat 12 g, cholesterol 100 milligrams, sodium. Asterisk serve with asterisk. 1. Roasted vegetables: asparagus, bell peppers, potatoes, carrots. 2. Mashed potatoes. 3. Salad. 4. Garlic bread. Tips: use high-quality ingredients for the best flavor. Don't overcook chicken. Adjust sauce consistency by adding more cream or reducing simmer time.